Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very candid, very chatty kind of a video because today is a roundup of 2025. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं the things that have worked for me in 2025, be it skincare, makeup, hair care, or non-beauty products, and also a couple of things that did not work for me in 2025. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. The very first thing that I'm going to talk about that was like a best decision of 2025 is something that I'm holding right now. It is a Digitech wireless mic. इसका link मैं description में डाल दूंगी. Ever since I got this mic, life has been so easy. Voice recording has been so easy. The voice clarity has been so crisp and so top notch and बहुत ही easy to use. The charging lasts literally weeks and weeks. I think जब से मैंने ये खरीदा है, I think I have charged it like thrice. That's it. And it is a very great product with a very reasonable price. So yeah, this is hands down one of my best, actually my best purchase of 2025. I have also posted a video of me unboxing and showing the clarity of this mic on my Instagram video as well, and that video is also something that is a top moment in my Instagram this year because उस वीडियो पे एवरी डे कोई ना कोई मैसेज करता है. उस वीडियो पे हर दिन मुझे कमेंट आता है अबाउट लिंक, आस्किंग हाउ द क्वालिटी एंड एवरीथिंग इज, एंड इट इज़ परफॉर्मिंग रियली वेल ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम. सो एक चीज़ दो निशाने, इट हैज़ मेड माई लाइफ रियली ईजी, made my filming content creation so easy. At the same time, people have appreciated that video a lot. So if you have not watched that video, I'll link it down in the description. Do show your love, and if you want link of this, iska bhi link मैं description box में दे दूंगी. The next thing that I want to share is another moment in my content creation journey, which is this video. This is posted on my YouTube channel 2 साल पहले, and this YouTube short literally crossed 100,000 views. आई कैन नॉट बिलीव गाइज, मेरे लाइफ में आज तक कभी मुझे इतने सारे व्यूज़ नहीं मिले हैं. गेटिंग दैट मोटिवेशन फ्रॉम माई यूट्यूब चैनल इज़ अ रियली बिग थिंग फॉर मी बिकॉज I started my journey on YouTube. YouTube is something that is my jam, to connect with people, to be more reliable to people. So coming such views count on YouTube has been like a milestone for me, and it is really motivational. So that is definitely something to mention. So those were, I think, some non-beauty things, something related to my life. I have written a couple of notes of things that I don't want to miss. So let's jump to some skincare. Okay, I have an overall of maybe 4 products in skincare. First is this Y-Axis का dark spot correcting serum. ये मैंने couple of months purchase किया था from Nykaa and almost खत्म हो चुका है, and I really love this. So this year I got few heat boils on my face. एक यहाँ पे आया था, एक I think यहाँ कहीं पे आया था, and it left some really bad marks like spots, and this really helped to reduce those marks. It's almost empty and I'll probably repurchase it because it is like really good for hydration as well. And वो जो dark spots थे, I thought वो नहीं जाएंगे because those were that stubborn. Eventually with continued use I saw reduction in the pigmentation, and slowly ये side का तो completely चला गया है. This side I have a little mark over here, but I think with continuous use वो भी जाएगा. So yeah, one of the best dark spot correcting serum, and it also adds glow, hydration because of niacinamide and squalene. तो बहुत ही great है. If you have dry skin, do check this out for pigmentation, dark spots. The next product is Beauty of Jason का green tea and panthenol calming serum. This year summers were crazy. This year I also been to Jaipur, Rajasthan, and Delhi in peak summers, and it was hot boiling in those areas. Of course, I have carried my sunscreen along with me, but this thing helped me calm my skin really well. That irritation, redness, अगर कुछ skin burn जैसे लगता हो when you are out and about in sun, I literally used to come back and apply this, and my skin used to feel so calm. It has this cooling effect as well on your skin, and because of green tea, I think it just calmed my skin so well. So yeah, really good product. The next product is actually a second tube of Formula RX ka Barrier Plus. I may not repurchase this because I really want to try some more barrier repair or ceramide creams, but this is so good. It is so creamy, it is so nourishing, it is super hydrating. As you can see, this is almost khatam, और ये मेरा second tube है actually, and maybe I'll have another 4-5 uses of this. But I will purchase something else just to test out the product, but अगर कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा हो तो I'll probably go back to this product itself. So yeah, this is that. The next product is actually a controversial one for me, and it falls under favorites and non-favorites as well. So it is the very famous and very pricey Aminu ka eye serum. I know you may have seen videos of this, people raving about it, and I totally understand. It is one of the best eye serums, or dark circles कम करने वाला eye serum ये एक ही मुझे पता है in the market which actually works, and I'm telling you it works, but it smells horrible. It smells like spit, and I get disgusted by saying that as well. But I don't know how people miss saying this on social media. I don't know, guys. It smells horrible. And it's not even like कि आप लगाओगे and you blend and the smell goes. No, it lingers around for a couple of minutes and it disgusts me. And that's the only reason I don't pick this up on most of the nights, because I don't want to experience that disgusting smell. But otherwise, this works. Next item that did not work for me was Anomaly's leave-in conditioner. I can say that I literally hate this leave-in conditioner. It is the worst. It makes my hair rubbery. I don't know how to describe it, guys. My hair feels sticky. It doesn't add any shine. It doesn't add any smoothness. I hate this product. Really have a lot of uses left in this. Almost itna product to shayad bacha hua hai, but I just want to stop using this. It is such a big tube as well, 147 ml, and I've been trying to finish this from past 6-7 months and ये खत्म हो नहीं रहा है. I'm so frustrated with this. I would probably just keep it aside or give it to someone and just start using my L'Oreal ka Dream Length leave-in conditioner, which I absolutely loved last year. So I really hate this. If you have used this product and if it works for you, please let me know, because this कितना भी try करूँ, I use a small amount, a pea size amount, or I use it on proper wet hair, I use it on dry hair, nothing works. My hair feels rubbery. So this is like a trash for me. The next product may fall under skincare or may not. It is IndieWile का DLT, which is a dewy lip treatment. बहुत ही अच्छा product है. It is one of the best lip treatments out there. This one is in the variant masala chai. ये एक ही मैंने try किया. One of a really good lip balms. It not only just hydrates, it treats your dried chapped lips. You can see the difference, and you can feel the difference. थोड़ा सा pricey है, but I really like it. And the fragrance and everything is so good. Especially ये winters के महीनों में, this just smells so good. It literally smells like elaichi chai. So good. Last skincare item I forgot mentioning is actually Hyphen's brightening cleanser. It is very similar to Cetaphil ka cleanser. It doesn't lather as much, ज़्यादा झाग नहीं होता है, and it leaves your skin nourished and super moisturized. ऐसा होता है ना कि that a lot of people think कि निकला नहीं है और धोना, इस तरह का cleanser है वो. It's more or less like Cetaphil. The cleanser that I'm using right now is probably something that I really hate, and I'll talk to you guys about that in the products that did not work for me section in this video. But this Hyphen ka cleanser was a really good one. I'll probably repurchase that again. I usually either go for Cetaphil ka cleanser या फिर I go back to my Clean and Clear, my trusty. जब भी मेरा skin flare up होता है, I literally go to my Clean and Clear's OG face wash. वो मैं मेरे college के time से use करते आ रही हूँ, and it is something that is like no brainer for me. But this Hyphen ka cleanser, it is very inexpensive. It was $2.99 and it worked for me so well. So I'll probably repurchase that. So those were a couple of skincare products. Let's speak a little bit about body care. मैं generally body care products में उतना invest करती नहीं हूँ, but I really wanted something for my strawberry skin, my ingrown hair, so I got Hibiscus Monkey का ingrown treatment. This is my first bottle. I think मैंने ये purchase किया था September में, and I've been very inconsistent with it actually, but it really showed some difference. I probably should be a little bit more consistent and take this along with me in 2026. I'll probably have to use this a few more months or maybe another year to see major changes, but I do see visible changes. My skin is not that grumpy, so I have strawberry skin yahan pe around, at the back of my arm, and also here, like yahan pe, and it was getting a little worse. But after using this, ये थोड़ा सा control में है. I don't see it completely gone, but it is controlled a little bit, and I should probably continue using this and be a little bit more consistent. If you want me to show before and afters, or in detail review after using this a few more months, I'll do another video. But yeah, that is that. Another body care product which I wanted to talk about is a Dove's body scrub. It is one of the best body scrubs. It has that really nice grains जो actually scrub करते हैं आपके body को, and the variants, the fragrance of those variants is just so addictive. The texture of the scrub is really great for that luxury feel and everything. बहुत ही great scrubs है. If you're looking for some body scrubs, definitely check out Dove, especially the pomegranate one and that brown sugar cacao one. It's so good. Because I was treating my strawberry skin, I wanted to scrub every now and then, और मैंने बहुत ही cautiously routine बनाया था to scrub my skin, to scrub my body, and that's the body scrub I've used and I really loved it. So those were all about body care products. Let's quickly talk about hair care products. Actually, before going to the hair care products, I quickly want to touch up on the hair treatment that I've gotten done this year. So मैंने vegan collagen treatment कराया था in the month of August. So it's been 4 months since I got vegan collagen treatment. It's a really, really amazing treatment if you want to build collagen, if you want to have a really tamed, frizz-free, manageable hair. But it will not alter your hair texture. Botox में आपका hair poker straight हो जाता है, but in vegan collagen treatment, your hair texture remains the same. It's just that it's more manageable, it's a bit shiny, it's healthier and everything. I would say it is a really good treatment, but the effect of it doesn't last that long. जब मैंने hair botox कराया था, that treatment lasted on my hair for literally 9 to 10 months. That being said, almost 6 months तक जब मैं बाल ऐसे flick भी करती थी, it used to fall as if जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स में होता है उस तरह से, एंड इट वाज लाइक पैसा वसूल फॉर मी. But I chose to go for vegan collagen treatment this year because I did not wanted harsh chemicals, A, and B, I wanted something which doesn't lose my hair texture. If you want, I can go in detail on this कोई दूसरे वीडियो में, but I just want to cut short and say you guys that Botox treatment lasted for literally 10 months, and I'm already in my 3rd month or 4th month of vegan collagen treatment, and उसका effect बहुत जल्द उतरता हुआ मुझे नजर आता है if I don't maintain it. For example, this hair mask, Love Beauty and Planet का lavender variant, it helps maintain my treatment so well. I also tried wide range of hair masks, but I end up using this always, and it has been a savior. You also have to use a great leave-in conditioner, you have to use a serum, so you have to be very regular with this routine to maintain the treatment. Otherwise, it is like really good one. I'm not saying that it is a bad treatment, it is just that you have to put more efforts. बोटॉक्स में भी मुझे ये प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करने होते थे, बट देयर वेर डेज वेयर आई स्किप्ड हेयर मास्क, देयर वेर डेज वेयर आई स्किप्ड लिव इन कंडीशनर, माय हेयर स्टिल यूज्ड टू फील and look very shiny and poker straight. But in this treatment you have to put an effort every single time you wash your hair. ऐसे बहुत बार होता है that you don't have time, you quickly want to wash your hair and you don't want to apply your hair mask, or you just forget applying your leave-in conditioner, and that days your hair will definitely show up. If you are someone who can spend so much on a regular basis, and if you want something healthy to build collagen of your hair, then I think it will be a great option. Maybe you'll have to go for a couple of sessions in a year. अगर आप long lasting treatment को चाहते हो, it may not be a good option. Okay, so there is just one more hair product I quickly wanted to talk about. It is the Indie Wild ka Chumpy hair oil. Now, collagen treatment mein you don't really need to apply hair oils and stuff, but this is a special one. This is a chumpy hair oil. It is for those days where you really want your hair chumpy. Just get this. It smells so good. I love this. I'm not sure what it's doing to my hair, but I love using this. बस इतना ही बता सकती हूँ कि मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है यूज करना. So that was like a really long segment of hair care. Let's quickly talk about some makeup products, which is my favorite topic. Let me put this out there that I have not been purchasing a lot of makeup products recently. I have been very nitty gritty picking my choices of makeup because already I have so much that I can't finish. And on top of that, purchasing more, it's just not ethical. And that's the reason I've been really mindful of my purchases for makeup. But I do have a few where I invested my money and I really have been loving it. One such product has to be my Tirtirka Cushion Foundation in the shade 33W Ginger. This has been my go-to foundation any day. It has a great coverage, it has wide range of shade range, and it has this amazing applicator as well. This makes application so effortless and it blends the product really well. Not only this particular product, when I apply a normal concealer as well, I sometimes grab this applicator and it just blends so seamlessly. I don't know what this is made of, but this is really good. Another makeup product is also a base product. This is L'Oreal's Infallible 24 Hour Serum Foundation. I did not use this in summers, but now in winters I have been grabbing this quite a lot, and it is actually a really good foundation. It has a very nice dewy finish to it, and that's the reason I did not use it as much in summers, because skin already बहुत glossy, shiny and humid weather की वजह से it's just like that. But nowadays I have been really enjoying this. I don't like the packaging of this, मगर बहुत ही अच्छा foundation है, lasts all day, it looks like skin, very lightweight and it's a good one. Shades बहुत कम है इसमें. I still would any day choose Tilted foundation, but just for some variety and options, this has been a really good one as well. Next product in this makeup category are these Teddy Tints. I have been using these non-stop. I have 3 shades with me. This is the shade Mascara Tear, one of my favorite lip colors. I love using this in winter season. I also have the shade Cool Grunge. I don't have a lot of pink colors, but this pink is very flattering on dusky skin color. Even if you have two-tone lips, कभी कभी pink colors थोड़ा सा pigmentation को और enhance करता है, but this really brightens my skin and I absolutely love it. I also have the shade Keep It Cozy, muted warm brown, this one, and it's a perfect nude. It's like my lips but better kind of. And I also sometimes use this shade Keep It Cozy. Is that what it is? Yeah, Keep It Cozy as my blush as well, and it works really good. All of the 3 actually blends really good as a blush as well, because the texture is बहुत ही moussey and it's a very different kind of a formula. It kind of blurs your lip texture somehow and makes your lips so velvety soft. I absolutely love this. My favorite has to be Mascara Tear these days, because it is a perfect brown tone, really beautiful color. It really complements my skin color. All 3 of them are really good. I'll probably check out more shades, because this is the only lip product which I reach out almost on an every single day basis. I know a lot of people say that these are sticky, and I also think these are sticky if you apply it बहुत ही थिक लेयर. तो इसका ट्रिक ये है कि बहुत ही थिन लेयर लगाना, एंड यू हैव टू वेट एटलीस्ट 10 minutes. Don't smack your lips, don't do anything, don't do any lip movements. Let this set nicely for a proper 10 minutes. It still feels a little sticky sometimes, but I don't mind it. I absolutely love it. My go-to lip product. Last but not the least is Lush Ink Marker from Rucha Beauty. The reason I love this is because of the shade range. This one is in the shade Sheesh, but I also have the shade Skirt. It's somewhere in my purse. I'm not able to find it right now, but I just want to show you this color. This is the shade Sheesh, and it is a very beautiful chocolatey brown, but at the same time it has a bit of a brick undertone to it. ये बहुत compliment करता है two tone lips में. It is really difficult to find lip liners that actually tints, that actually is pigmented enough to line my lips. So these Lush Ink markers are so pigmented, a really good lip liner. So those were all the beauty, makeup and things that did work, did not work for me this year. I also have been really mindful about my inner health as well, especially my water intake. I have been using this House of Quirk tumbler. Almost it's been I think it's been like 8-9 months since I've got this, and my water intake is really improved because of this. I don't know, पहले मैं ज़्यादा पानी पीती नहीं थी, अभी maybe it's because of the looks of it, because I can just एक साथ मैं भर लेती हूँ इतना ज़्यादा, so that I can finish it off. Or it's the handle that मैं कहीं पे भी जाऊँ, I can just hold this. I'm going to the terrace, I'm going sitting in some other room, I can just hold it and take it off. Along with me, the convenience of holding this, I don't know what it is, but my water intake has improved significantly after using this. I know it's pretty random, but I had to share this because these small things can make a lot of difference, and water intake is really important, guys. So if not this, do something, keep a timer, or just put an app of water intake if you're not that great in remembering of drinking water. But do something, but drink your water. Not only that, I have been really consistent with my supplements as well. I have been taking my ashwagandha, my vitamin D, and also my magnesium specifically. That has helped my leg cramps and my muscle cramps quite a lot. So if you're in your 30s, don't forget your magnesium, don't forget your vitamin D. Obviously consult a medical specialist before having anything. I'm no expert in medical, but these things have really helped me. Ashwagandha for stress management, for my sleep cycle, magnesium for my muscle cramps, my leg cramps, and also vitamin D has been a really good addition. This year I also had collagen powder, the skin collagen powder. I had used HK Vitals ka orange one, and I also used Setu one. I like the Setu one actually more than the HK Vitals one. I think up until June or July, I had a pretty consistent collagen powder going on every single day. But uske baad pata nahi chhoot gaya. I'll probably get back on track. But that was really helpful. I also had been soaking a lot of good things in the night, especially almonds, chia seeds, my cinnamon water, my zira or methi water. I have to pat my back that I have been really consistent in soaking things in the night and having in the morning. You know, there are a lot of benefits of it health wise, so I have been doing that and I'm very proud of it. And I also have been really mindful of my food choices, be it sugar, be it snacks. I have been indulging in a lot of protein bars. If I want to have some chocolate, I've skipped a lot of chocolate this year and I have picked protein bars now and then. And I also have been indulging a lot of protein in my food, a lot of Greek yogurt, a lot of veggies as well. So food wise also I have been really mindful, and I can really feel proud of that I have made that change in my lifestyle, and that reflects in the energy levels as well throughout the day. And yeah, those were a couple of things that I really wanted to feel proud of and just say that out loud, that my food choices had been pretty good this year, and I hope I continue it in the future as well. One last thing that I want to say is coffee. मैंने कॉफ़ी छोड़े हुए आई थिंक 5 साल हो चुके हैं, बिकॉज आई हैव palpitation issues, I have thyroid, so I get anxiety quite very easily, and it just is heart throbbing. Whenever I have coffee, my heartbeat just pumps so fast. मैं half spoon भी coffee पी लूँ, I don't know what it does to my thyroid, I don't know what it does. I just get anxious, palpitation, I just get restless. But one day was craving a lot of coffee, and I wanted to also support Sara Sarosh, who is a YouTuber. You know her, she is very famous, a big YouTuber, and her brand Impulse Coffees, I really wanted to try her coffee, and I got Nutcut Hazelnut. बस एक half spoon या 1 spoon कुछ बचा हुआ है, that is crystallized actually because of the weather. But this is pure Arabica, I think, and it is roasted in small batches. I don't know, I never felt anxious after, or my palpitation issues never showed up after I had this coffee. I don't know if it is because of the other food choices that I'm doing, other supplements that I'm taking, that complemented at the same time. But I finished this, guys. After 5 years, I had no palpitation issues after having coffee. So I was really happy with that. I'll probably get another variant, maybe mocha pichoka or something like that, from their brand, from her brand. But surprisingly, this was really good. A lot of I've posted this on my Instagram as well, and a lot of people said a lot of different brands as well for me to try. I'll probably check those out too. But since this worked for me, I'll probably just get another one for the meantime. And yeah, this was really good. I don't have coffee every single day, I have it once in a while, maybe mahine mein ek baar or something, or mahine mein do baar, something like that. But this was really good. So those were all the products that I wanted to talk to you guys about. This is literally my 2025 in a nutshell. I hope I have covered everything that I wanted to. This video is probably like 1 hour long right now, and this footage would probably be like 3 hours or something for me to edit now. That is a task, but I have to upload this before New Year's. So that is definitely a task. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you have watched this video till now, drop a like and let me know what is one thing that you have loved in 2025, and also one thing that you have learned in 2025. My intake this year is definitely cautious decisions on my food choices, or cautiously thinking about what to eat rather than just eating whatever I want. And obviously being consistent with my supplements, that was a major yes for me this year, for sure. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you guys in 2026 actually. Happy New Year.